Hello, second grade. Welcome to Science with Miss Conley. This is our second lesson in our third week of science doing remote learning. In this lesson, we're going to continue observing our caterpillars. We're going to discuss the different body parts that a caterpillar has. When I look at this picture, I already notice that there are things that caterpillars have that people do not have. Let's go over some of the vocabulary words, which are different parts of the body of a caterpillar. I'm going to say the word and you're going to repeat after me. Segments, eyes, thorax, prolegs, abdomen, and spinneret. Let's take a look at these vocabulary words, since these are all new. A segment. A segment is a body section. If you look at this picture here, the diagram with the labels, you'll see here that this is a segment. A caterpillar has lots of segments in its body. Eyes. Well, we know what eyes are. Caterpillars have eyes as well, but caterpillars have 6 eyes. Thorax. A thorax is near the neck and it has 3 segments. Here's the thorax, and you can see the 3 segments that make it up. Prolegs. Prolegs are legs that are attached to the abdomen. Here are the prolegs of this caterpillar, and you can see the abdomen is more in the center section of its body. Abdomen. An abdomen consists of 10 segments on a caterpillar. This is the abdomen, and if you were to count, you could count 10 segments within the abdomen. And our last one is spinneret. The spinneret is actually located near the mouth of the caterpillar. The spinneret is where silk is produced, and it helps form the chrysalis. Let's take a closer look at this diagram. This is body parts of the caterpillar. Amazing creatures. Like all insects, caterpillars have 3 body sections and 6 true legs. The other legs are called prolegs. You can see here that this is the head. The spinneret is also located up here. This is at the top portion of the caterpillar's body. Here's the thorax, which consists of 3 segments closer to the top of the body. Here are the true legs that are attached to the thorax. Next is the abdomen, which is the middle section, and that is 10 segments. These are the prolegs, which are attached to the abdomen. Let's reflect. What is a proleg? Here are some guiding questions for this lesson. What can caterpillars do? Describe how a caterpillar moves. How is a caterpillar's body the same or different from other animals? Later, we will be comparing and contrasting our body with caterpillars. Did you know that caterpillars and butterflies are insects? Let's watch this video about insects and their different body parts.
Check it out. I found a praying mantis. What are insects? An invertebrate is an animal that does not have a spine or backbone. Insects are invertebrates. Insects can look really different from each other, but they do have some traits in common. Insects have three body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head has a mouth, eyes, and a pair of antennae. Insects use their antennae to smell, taste, and sense the world around them. Insects have compound eyes, which means each eye has tiny parts that point in different directions. This helps the insect to see more of its environment at once. The thorax is the middle section of the insect's body. It's where the legs attach to the body. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, for a total of 6 legs. Some insects have wings, which also attach to the thorax. The abdomen is the lower part of the body. It contains the insect's digestive system. Insects have exoskeletons, which means their skeletons are on the outside of their bodies. They do not have lungs like mammals. Instead, they breathe using tiny openings in their exoskeletons. Some insects look like other animals to scare off predators. Insects are cold-blooded animals, which means they use the environment to control their body temperatures. Insects have adapted to their habitats in different ways. How do insects survive in their environments? Many insects use camouflage to stay safe. Stink bugs let off a bad scent to stay safe. The milkweed grasshopper oozes a poison that can harm its predators. Some insects have stingers they can use to attack enemies. Certain species of insects, such as bees, wasps, termites, and ants, stay safe by sticking together. They live together in large groups called colonies. In ant colonies, the queen lays the eggs, and the other ants protect and take care of the nest. How do insects grow and change? Insects go through metamorphosis as they turn into adults. Some insects hatch from eggs and grow into nymphs. As nymphs grow bigger and turn into adults, they molt. This means they grow bigger exoskeletons and shed their old ones. Some adult insects look a lot different from when they first hatch. Larvae hatch from eggs, grow and change into a pupa, and into a butterfly. Some people think insects are annoying pests or even scary, but they're an important part of our environment. Why are insects important? Insects help spread pollen, and plants rely on them to grow. Some insects, like aphids, can destroy plants and crops, but other insects, like ladybugs, eat the aphids. Farmers need these insects to help keep their crops healthy. Insects provide food for many animals, including reptiles, fish, birds, and mammals. They're an important part of food chains, and animals need insects to survive. People rely on insects too. Bees give us honey and wax, and silkworms give us silk. Insects live on every continent, even Antarctica. Scientists have found about 1 million species of insects, but there are a lot more that haven't been discovered. Most of the living things on our planet are insects. I love learning about insects because they can do incredible things. Well, did you know that a flea can jump 100 times its own height? That'd be the same as a person jumping over a tall building. Moby, you're such a show-off.
After watching that video, let's think. What is an invertebrate? Hopefully you said that's an animal that does not have a spine or a backbone. We are definitely not invertebrates because we have spines. Here's another question for you. What is an insect? Hopefully you said an insect has 3 body parts, a total of 6 legs, and they have an exoskeleton. Let's think now. Now that we have discussed the different body parts of a caterpillar, let's compare and contrast our body with a caterpillar. Let's think for a moment. What do both people and caterpillars have that are the same when we're talking about our body parts? And what is different? Here's a Venn diagram to talk about it. In the middle is what they both have. Both people and caterpillars have legs and they are living things. People, only people have nose and have 2 legs. Caterpillars do have a scent, but they do not have a nose. Caterpillars actually breathe on the side of their body. This section is only what caterpillars have. Caterpillars have a spinneret and can produce silk. People do not have a spinneret near their mouth, and they cannot produce silk. That concludes our lesson for today in science. Your assignment is to complete the Edpuzzle, which is what this video is. See you later!